As an HR professional, this is one of the most unique environments you can be in. Throughout my week at work, I know that I'm going to go onto the floor. During that time, I have to suit up with my steel-toed shoes, my safety glasses, and my earplugs, then go out and see how our teammates are doing on the floor. Other days, I'm in the office tackling calls and emails and whatever may come across my desk, so it's really a variety of what we do here in the plant as HR.
Working as a woman in manufacturing is all I've ever known, so I don't know what to compare it to. I do feel that I've been supported, I feel that I'm treated with respect, I feel that my ideas are considered, and that's what's important to me.
Working at Bridgestone manufacturing facility on an HR team is like being a part of another family. Me and my team are so close, we work so well together. Anytime somebody needs anything, we're all there to back each other up. We always know what's going on in each other's areas. We really are more of a family than coworkers.
One of the things that we are responsible for within our plant is identifying hidden dangers and near misses. Every teammate is responsible for going out into the facility, even in the office areas or the plant floor, and identifying opportunities for improvement. And this helps to keep everyone safe.
Bridgestone was my first big kid job, so I feel like I owe all my professional credit to Bridgestone. Better communication in all aspects. You're working with such large groups that you really learn how to handle different kinds of people and different types of personality in your day-to-day role. I owe all of that to Bridgestone.
If you've never worked in a manufacturing facility before, it ends up being a really exciting career. It can be very high-paced. There's always a new challenge around the corner, just a very dynamic career.